Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the button keys on the Nintendo Switch right Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or a pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. First, pull out the battery compartment holder. Next, disconnect the antenna head and pull out the unit. Next, undo 3 screws securing the holder. Next, gently pull out the battery compartment holder to disconnect the ZR button flex. Lift the lever and gently slide out the cable to free the battery compartment holder. Next, lift the lever and slide out the SL-SR button connector flex. Next, lift the lever and slide out the rail connector flex. Now, the right rear shell can be freed from the housing. Next, disconnect the vibrator motor plug. Next, lift the lever and slide out the joystick connector flex. Next, undo 2 screws securing the board. Next, lift the lever and slide out the camera flex. Next, lift the lever and slide out the NFC flex cable. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Next, gently pull out the ABXY button membrane. Next, pull out the buttons using a tweezer. Next, pull out the plus button membrane and the button. Next, pull out the home button membrane and the button. Now you can replace new buttons as needed. And then secure membranes. Ensure the secure placement. Next, place the logic board on the frame. While placing, secure both camera flex and NFC flex into the slot, and then fasten levers. Next, gently place the board and secure two screws. Next, secure the joystick flex connector and then fasten the lever. Next, slide in the SL/SR button connector flex and fasten the lever. Next, slide in the rail connector flex and then fasten the lever. Next, connect the vibrator motor plug. Next, place the R button in place. Next, secure the ZR button flex and then secure the lever. Next, gently place the battery compartment holder and secure it by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the Bluetooth antenna head and place it in the frame. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.